Alright everybody, let's get started with the lesson. This is ON2. If you like to learn it on ON for my ON1 family, I have the video right here and also in the description. Let's get started. A 1, 2, 3, a 5, 6, 7. Pull the lady. 1, 2, 3, a 5, 6, 7. If you notice, my right hand is on top, my left is down, and when I'm going to push the lady forward, I'm going to exchange here. She might stop a little bit further or a little bit all the way, so I can roll her all the way here. Let's do it with the timing. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Go. 5, 6, 7. Push the lady forward. 1, 2, double. 5, 6, 7. Copa. 1, 2 down, 3, 5, 6, 7. Open up on 1. Bring back 2, 3. Now this is a beautiful crossbody lead. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Grab the back. 5, 6 around. 1, 2, roll. 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, and 3 on your shoulder. Go down. 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, and you can finish off with a nice little 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and voila, the tango slide. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.